Welcome. In this video, I'm going to take you through the process of using a very simple HTML landing page that I created to demo how you can set up a landing page inside of your WordPress site and use it over and over again and define global and local customization areas. So some examples of local customization areas would be the title area right here, the tagline or a subtitle here, this block of content text, the a couple of examples of global customization would be this logo area, the social icons, the company name, and the privacy policy link. For this training, I've created a fresh installation of WordPress 3.1. We're going to be using the 2010 theme for this example, and let's go ahead and get logged in. As you can see right now, their Multisite is not active. We are going to be activating Multisite so that you can achieve your goals of using WordPress as a landing page CMS system for all of your clients, allowing each client to have as many landing pages as needed, and allow you to manage from one centralized area as many clients as you may grow to manage from this point onwards. So let's begin. The first thing that I'm going to do is enable Multisite on this WordPress. So we're going to go ahead and open up our text editor, and we're going to need to edit the wp-config file. You'll look inside of your installation of WordPress. It's in the root. It's wp-config.php. Just go ahead and get that off the server. And we'll scroll down a bit. And down here, I'm going to add another define line. Okay. This line actually activates Multisite. After uploading this to the server, under our tools section, we're going to have another option. So currently you see that there's you do not see the networks link under tools right now, but after we refresh, now we have the extra link for network. Please keep in mind that if you have any plugins activated, you will be prompted to deactivate any active plugins. The reason being is because after you activate Multisite, you will have an option of network activating a plugin or activating it so that it's local for only that particular installation of WordPress. So we'll go ahead and click network. The next thing we have to do is follow these instructions. So we're going to create a blogs directory under wp-content. I've actually already done that. Here it is right here. So here you're just simply creating a blogs directory. And this directory will be used to store uploaded media for your additional sites. and you must make it writable by the server. So you'll want to be sure to update your permissions on that directory. The second step is to add the following code to your wp-config.php file. So we're going to edit that file once again. I'm just going to come down a little bit, and I'm going to keep it in the same define area. Just paste that in there. Save. Upload to the server. Finally, we're going to have to create a .htaccess file if you do not already have one. We're going to have to copy the contents of this and add it to the .htaccess file. So I'm just going to create a new text document, paste that in there, and I'm going to save. Okay, upload to the server. So now when I refresh over here, now I have that .htaccess. So now we're going to have to log out, and then when we log back in, we should see an additional networks option. So first of all, over here in the dashboard, we've got the My Sites, but over here we've got the Network Admin. So let's click that. So here we have our administrative options. Let's create a new site, and you can see that the site address is going to be wp-developers.com/landing_cms/landing1. For the site title, and for the admin email, I'm going to keep mine. And let's add the site. Okay, so the site has been added. So now you'll see that we've got the sites area right here. When I click sites, we see the two different sites that we have for managing. The next thing we're going to do is begin converting this static HTML landing page into a dynamic landing page that's going to be usable within the WordPress CMS. So over here, I'll close these out. So right here we have the HTML of the page, and we're going to use the default 2010 theme just to for the sake of example, but you can do this with any theme that you have. So the theme isn't important. Let's see, I'm just going to okay, so I have the first thing that I want to do is get the files that are necessary for this theme into the the 2010 themes directory. So okay, So I'm going to create a new directory inside of this themes directory, and I'm just going to name it landing page. And inside of landing page, I'm putting the images and the style sheet. That's all I need in there. And I'm going to create two documents. One is going, and both of them are going to be PHP documents. The first one I'm going to name body. So that's going to be body.php. And I saved this one into the landing page directory. This one, on the other hand, I'm going to save in the main themes directory, and I'm going to name this one landing page. Actually, so I'm naming that one landing page template. We're going to write a comment. The only thing that's going to exist on this page is a comment and also an include file, an include function. So here I am indicating to WordPress that we're going to want to use a custom a custom template page for handling content for the pages that are created. And we're naming it landing page so that we can identify it inside of WordPress. Here So here I'm going to pull in the contents from body.php. I'll save that, upload it to the server, and now I'm going to take all of the contents from this index.html page, which is the HTML version of the landing page. I'm just going to paste it inside of body.php. Now we can begin customizing all of this. So for example, well, we'll get to the logo. For now I'm going to make it local. Well, actually, let's get to that in a moment. So here, let's go ahead and replace this with an actual query to pull the post or the page contents. Okay. This is going to pull the contents of the page that the landing page is being used on. So that content editing area, that text will display right here. Here I'm going to, and actually let's go ahead and pull this up to this point. And here, well, not there. Here, let's go ahead and display the title of that particular poster page, of that particular page. Okay, so this will get the title, and then here let's display some text that is entered from a custom field. So the first thing I'm going to do is add the support for custom field. So basically, I've just created the support to get the custom value, the custom field value for a custom field having the name of page subtitle. So here we're going to echo out that value and display it as a level 3 heading. I'll go ahead and upload that to the server. The next thing that we're going to have to do, we have to take this landing page directory and move all, in fact, if we refresh the server, the directory should already be on there now, but we're still going to need to move over the style sheet, just a moment, and the images. So I'm just going to put that over there. So now the body.php will use the style sheet inside of there, and also the images inside of there. Right here we're in the style sheet. Okay. Let's see here. Let's just add the okay. So now upload that to the server. Let's create a new page. Well, first let's go under sites, and let's go inside of one of our child sites. We'll go to the dashboard, and let's create a new page. Okay. Let's hit screen options and activate custom fields. Under template, select landing page, and we can now get our page subtitle. Put that in name. Add custom field, and let's publish. We view the page in a new tab. Here's what we see. So now we need to clean this up a little bit, but for right now you can see here's the title of that page, here's the custom field text, here's the text from that body. Okay. So I'm going to come inside here and I'm going to make our images work. Okay. And also let's replace company name with the actual blog name. So now when we refresh, so now we have those. So now we have the name of the blog, and also if we go, so I'll open this up in a new tab. So here you see we still have the main site, but when we click landing example, you see it comes to this. So the next thing that we want to do is create a couple of global areas. So what the first thing I'm going to do is add a theme options page to this theme. As you can see right here under appearance, there's no theme options. I'm going to add one. I'm going to add one of mine, so I'll just come under, I'm just going to add one that I like using for many of my sites, and I'm just going to customize it. Okay, so that's uploaded. Now I'm going to open up this theme's functions.php file, and I'm going to add a block of code that's going to allow this theme to hook into the new theme options panel. Upload. So now when we refresh, you'll see under appearance we now have a theme options. And click that, and here we are. So what I'm going to do now is hook in the custom logo so that we can upload the logo here. So let's do that first. So over here under the admin panel, open up theme options.php. And here in the body, I'm going to pull in the support for this custom logo. I'll pull it in here. Excuse me, I don't need functions.php anymore. Body.php. Let's find the logo. Here it is right here. So okay, and I'm going to make the alt let's make it the company name. Come back over, and now we're going to upload an image. So come here, let's use this one, and I'll save all changes. So now when we refresh, there we are. Once again, coming back over here, you can see that nothing is affected here. However, here now we have the logo. As for the social icons, so we're just going to edit our theme options a little bit, and to cut down on time, I'm just going to do some copy and pasting. So there we are. Okay, save all of those. Now inside of the body, this is the URL for the Facebook. This one is the URL for the Twitter. This one is for the YouTube. So here I'm just going to echo out the URL that we enter in. This is Facebook. Okay, and let's copy that. So we're gonna say Twitter. Let's upload that. So right now, and I'll right now when we hover over, you see that these don't actually link anywhere. So if I click it, it goes nowhere. Click it, goes nowhere. So now let's refresh this page. We'll have another tab over here for our social. Oh, excuse me, I didn't name it. So I'll refresh again. So now we have social. Click that. Here's our Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. So I'm going to replace this with sorry, this one should be YouTube. And I'll go ahead and save all changes. And when we refresh over here, now you'll see that when we click those, we're taken to the proper locations. So those are going to be global. That will be shared throughout all of them. Let's for the sake of example, I'm going to go ahead and create a new one. Let's create a new page. Select the template, landing page. We're going to select the subtitle, custom field. This time, because we've already added it once, it will appear in a drop down that we can select. Add custom field and publish. So now when we look at this page, so here's the landing, here's one. I'll refresh this one. You see it still has its contents. Here's another one that has customized content areas. I'll refresh it. But you'll see that the logo and the links remained. But anyway, so you see that this is the contents from the new one. Landing pages rock. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is some information located inside the content area for the add new page. This one, on the other hand, landing page example 1. This is the custom field for its subtitle. This is a little information about this landing page. So now, you can do that for each and every site that's located on your network. So here are a list of the sites. This is the main one, and this is the second one. What I'm going to do now is create another site. Watch this. Let's create a site. I'm going to name this one and let's go ahead and add site. Okay. Let's just name it video test without the underscore. Okay. So now when we look under sites, and you'll see that I every time I create a new site I get the registration email. So now we've got 3 sites. So let's go ahead and go under the dashboard for this one. And you'll see that in the in this one I'm going to add a new page. I'll still have the option to select the landing page because I still have this theme active. However, for each network site, you have your own collection of themes that you could activate. Which is another reason why we don't have the drop down over here for this one. So I'll select subtitle. Add custom field. And I'll go ahead and publish. And view site. So now you see that we're also missing the logo. I'll come over here under our theme options. Upload a logo. Save all changes and refresh. And now we have this logo. So we have this logo here. We refresh changes. You see it's not affected. However, over here we have this logo. And we have this text. Same thing is true for the social information. You see that we're started back over from the beginning. So that is how each one of these can be customized. There's one more thing that I'll go ahead and show in this video. So take for example this area. Let's see. So let's open up. Let's open up style.css and say we wanted to change the color of that body area. I'm just going to take this and I'm going to bring it out and put it inside of the body, inside of the head tag, just for the sake of example. The reason why I'm bringing this out is so that I can dynamically update this area. Okay, so this background, instead of having the corners also, about that. So let's just take this just to cut down on time, and let's say let's call this form. Okay, there we go. So now let's come back inside of here. There's no need to worry about the theme options on this one. I'm going to change this form background color, but I'm going to do so locally. So let's go into totally new client. And let's create a new name, and let's just make it black. So you see I'm just simply adding the color value there, add custom field, and when we come over and refresh, that turns black. However, over here, well, I need to add a color now. So let's come back in, let's go to our sites, and let's go to test landing 1, and let's go to pages, and this one is for landing example, well, excuse me, this one's for landing pages rock. So let's edit landing pages rock, enter new, form background, and let's make this one, let's see, I'll just grab a color over here. Let's make this one kind of reddish. Add the custom field. So now we come right here and refresh, and there we are. On this one, okay, we need to do the same thing. So this one is landing example 1. And I'll just be able to select it now. I'll just grab another color. Let's make this one more greenish. Add custom field. So now when we come over to this one, so now we've got green, red, black. I hope that you somewhat understand the concepts here. Contact me with any questions.